5 ways AI is changing public relations. 1. Discovering more qualified influencers. AI-powered platforms can quickly learn the agenda of the campaign and then generate a list of requirements to find qualified candidates. The platform is also collecting, categorizing, and analyzing the candidates' data based on their profiles and social media activities. Once the personal data matches the requirements, a qualified influencer is found. 2. Accurately targeting potential audience. AI-based audience targeting software can automatically generate a list of the potential audiences, and based on the analysis of large-scale data, the accuracy of targeting will be much higher. 3. Increasing interactivity with partnerships with digital communication. AI technology enables the auto-tagging function on social media. By generating tags with keywords and the main features of the campaign, AI can deliver the campaign post to more targeted audiences with the same interests. As a result, the campaign will have a higher participation rate, and the interactivity between the company and the partners will be enhanced. 4. Collecting feedback with advanced sentiment analysis. By distinguishing the good and bad reviews, the advanced sentiment analysis of AI provides a clear picture of the product's pros and cons. 5. Realizing transparency between agents' work. For instance, Asana is a popular digital workplace. The platform allows all team members to see each other's tasks at any time. Thanks for watching.